गोंयचे खातीर for the tourism footfall what we have, we need both the airports. But here sudha, we will settle it at rest for once for all. After assembly is over, Honorable Chief Minister, myself, the Tourism Minister, will go to Delhi, meet the Civil Aviation Minister as well as Defence Minister. If required, we said we'll meet even the Honorable Prime Minister and to lay this issue at rest once forever. Because pratyek party controversy raise karta, so it affects the people's mind also. Even today, as per convenience, people prefer, all South people prefer Dabolim because it is nearer for them. No? Now, in due course, more flights will come. In fact, you will not find enough slots for flights to land. ही परिस्थिती येवपाची आसा. सो कोणे ती भिवपाची गरज ना असं कित्याक एअरपोर्ट बंद पडटलो. आतां कितें मातशें अप एंड डावन ट्रॅफिकान जाता. आता आमचे टॅक्सीवाले भिता की तांकां ट्रीप मेळना म्हणून. अरे अप्स एंड डाउन्स आर देर. बट वन थिंग एज आय सेड ऑन द फ्लोर ऑफ द हाऊस yesterday, I am repeating again, we have to move to using more and more technology. Technology using simply means you have to use app based taxi. तेणी ॲपार वचपा जाय जाल्यार तुमचें ओन ॲप करा सो दॅट वी नो वेर यू आर गोईंग, वीच पॉयंट यू आर गोईंग, कितले म्हणजे प्रमाणान आमकां आनिकूय गाडी जाय पडटल्यो, तुमच्यो खूंय यूज जातल्यो, खूंय चड ट्रॅफिक म्हणजे हें आसा लोड आहा थिंगा टॅक्सी असो ऑटोमॅटीक वयतली, कमी आहा थिंगा. आतां कितें तें म्हणटा हिंगाच आमी पार्क करता, आमकां स्टँड दिल्ले आहा, कावंटर दिला, हिंगाच सगळ्यांनी येवपाचें अशें जायना. वी हॅव मूव्ड ऑन. टुडे द होल वर्ल्ड इज अ ग्लोबल विलेज. Where is the question of half a size of a district Goa, we islanding things, हें जावपाक शक्य ना. वी हॅव टू मूव फॉरवर्ड. करता तेंचे पार्किंग वेवस्था एअरपोर्ट ऑथॉरिटी करता, मल्टी लेवल पार्किंगूय जातले, आनीकूय ते पार्किंग थिंगा वाडयता. हें सगळें केलें म्हणटच सगळे शिस्तान आमी बसयतले. इट इज हाय टायम वी डू दॅट एंड आय थिंक वी वील अचीव दॅट व्हेरी शॉर्टली. सो वन्स दॅट हॅपन्स, इवन दॅट वील सेंड अनदर सिग्नल. Understood ni? And another thing I want to say, suppose inga pile old terminal asle, another 4 aero bridges are coming up, new aero bridges. That means the old terminal is demolished. Capacity to get aircrafts inside and turnover time will be even much faster. Rokde aero bridge etli tektali, dusri flight etali. So where is the question of closure? And it is one of the most prestigious airport of Airport Authority of India. I don't think they have a mind to close or hand over. And I for one met the topmost person in the bureaucracy in the defense, the secretary. He told me they have no intention whatsoever. They don't even need it. They are happy working alongside the airport authority. This is what he had to tell me.
आमचे सर मोविन गुदिनो सराचो जो ट्रान्सपोर्ट मिनिस्टर आसा तेजे वाडदिवसा निमतान आयज हे अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग इनॉग्रेशन जाल्लेलें आसा. आनी हे इंडोग्रेशन अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग जे आसा तो एक सारको एक स्ट्रेट सिग्नल दिल्लो आसा कितें बाबा हो दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट तो परमनंट हांगा रावपाचो आसा म्हणून लोकांक कोणाकूच भिवपाची गरज ना. आनी हे दाबोली एअरपोर्टाक लागून आमचे पालक मंत्री जे मोविन गुदिनो सर आसा ते सदांच झगडलेले आसा, सदांच इनिशिएटीव घेवन हो एअरपोर्टाचे बद्दल ताका सगळ्यांक चड काळजी आसलेली. आनी आयज तेंच्यांनी प्रूफ करून दिल्लेलें आसा की जे प्रमाणे आयज एअरपोर्टाचो डेव्हलपमेंट जाता, न्यू आमकां ब्लॉक आमी पळयता तेचें कन्स्ट्रक्शन चालू आसा. आतां अंडरग्राउंड केबलिंग जो आमकां न्यू प्रोजेक्ट एअरपोर्टाक लागून दिल्लो आसा. आतां सरान आतां सांगलेलें आसा अशें न्यू थंयसर एक टॉयलेट फेसिलिटी जातली जी इंटरनॅशनल लेवलाचेर जी भायल्या गांवांनी आमी पळयता जशें थंयसर न्हांवपाक मेळटा, तुका सगळें रेस्ट करपाक मेळटा त्या टायपाची फेसिलिटी. सो दीस ऑल शोज दॅट जो इंट्रस्ट आमचे मोविन सरान घेतलेलो आसा आनी टू कंटिन्यू वीथ द दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट. हेजे भितर लोकांक म्हाका दिसता आख्ख्या मुर्मो गोंयच्या लोकांक कशीच भिवपाची गरज ना, कित्याक जे पर्यंत आमचो पालक मंत्री श्री मोविन सर आसा दाबोली एअरपोर्ट आमचो सदांच ह्या लोकांक लागून अवेलेबल आसता.
Today we are charging the 33 kVA cable from Sakwal to Goa airport. And I said this shows our commitment, the government has a commitment to keep our Dabolim airport in the best of conditions and in the best of positions so that it continues for a very long time. आज 4 aero bridges येता हांगा न्यू हाजी बिल्डिंग जाता. सो हेच कितें दाखयता की दिस जस्ट शोज दॅट आमचो गव्हर्मेंट दाबोलीम एअरपोर्ट एज वेल एज मोपा एअरपोर्ट विल कीप both the options open for the general public tourist. आणि this should clear all the doubts. फाटीं आमी पळयलें की थोडे एअर ऑपरेटर्स ते वटेन गेले But after CM intervention and CM also on the floor of the house, he has said that nothing will change and जे अजून हांगा आसा पळय न्यू डेस्टिनेशन्स थंयच्यान स्टार्ट जावंक शकता पूण हांगा पळय जी ट्रॅफिक आशिल्ली ती तितलीच उरतली आनी हांगा जे फ्लायट्स येताली नाल्यार ऑपरेशन्स आशिल्ली ती तशीच कंटिन्यू उरतली.
Expansion, right now, the building construction is in progress, and it is likely to be completed by maybe May or at the most June. We will be commissioning this building. So with that, we will be adding another 2 million passengers per annum. Now it is around 11.3 million. Now we will add for another 3 million, which is around 13.3 million passengers. So most of the what you call peak hour congestions will be addressed. Now also we have addressed most of the things, and further we are planning to have more number of parking bays. The discussions are in the almost final stages at our headquarters with Navy and for the land. So that is coming, and we are developing one car parking area here. It will be around 80-90 cars we will develop. It's almost maybe in a month or two, because of rains we could not do it. That will be completed, and cargo facility we want to improve further. These are all the things we are having in mind, and we are on the right path on that.
What do you feel when you hear that people say that it will be closed and closed when you are investing?
That is not this thing. People without knowing it, knowing the integrity of the things. See, Airport Authority never told that it will be closed, and from the beginning, Airport Authority and Government of Goa, particularly Mauvin sir, always they are clarifying. There is no need of even clarification for this. It was already decided long back that both airports will run, and it's a very good thing for the people of Goa to have two airports. Anybody, if you are having convenience from here, you fly from here. Convenience from there, from Mumbai, people will fly from there. There is nothing that Goa Airport, Dabolim Airport will be closed.